Everybody, it's Ryan. Dean again. Okay, we are here at Buc-ee's. We purchased some very good stuff, which are the brisket tacos. Now, you guys may be wondering, what the hell is that? Well, brisket is a really good kind of meat, especially very specialized over here in Houston, in all of Texas. We love our own barbecue. So, Buc-ee's always has, these specials, these sandwiches or burritos in the morning with brisket. And we're gonna go and try them. They're very hard to come by unless you come in very early. We figured since we're going to Dallas, we might as well just go and stop at a Buc-ee's in the middle of the morning to get ourselves some
$6.99.
brisket. $6.99, very cheap.
It's not expensive.
And already is compared to the brisket.
So, pupunta kami sa Dallas kasi kakain lang kami ng potato corner. That's it.
We're just going to eat potato corner, that's all. Because this lady over here has been bugging me to go eat potato corner.
Let's go to the Philippines to get potato corner. Bebe, let's just go to Dallas instead. 3 hours drive. 3 hours papunta doon, tapos 3 hours pabalik. So, 6 hours in total para kumain lang ng french fries.
So, here's the burrito.
Why is mine sad?
Well, you got it from the other side. But it's okay.
Anyways. Oh, I got it from... it's okay.
Do you have your ketchup? Okay, let's eat it first.
Finally, inner peace.
She loves meat.
Carnivore. I could never be a vegetarian.
And since she was coming over here to Texas, I got her the Buc-ee's tumbler, so she can be a true Texan girl.
Not a Canadian anymore, not Filipino, but Texan. My ancestors are gonna be
Inside?
like Geraldine.
Inside the tumbler, there is Arnold's iced tea, half and half tea. Now, for those of you who are cultured, you guys will know that this is the bomb. This is the bomb.
Time check, it's 6:45. Yeah, 6:45 a.m. Wait, where's the ketchup? Oh, I also got this.
Some beaver tots.
I need my fries because we're gonna eat fries later. Pre-gaming.
No, like from here.
No, I wanna dip it.
Oh, okay.
Because this one is stir to squeeze and then stir to dip.
One eternity later.
Look at this case.
Several days later. 2,000 years later. Yeah, boy.
There you go. Let me try one of these.
Karamihan naman nakikita ko dito sa sasakyan ngayon, mga trucks. Yung mga 4x4 Ram. May mga kotse din naman. Pero ang laki. Ang laking gas station. Pero ito. Bucky's. Say hi! Agandun pa yun. Agandun. Blagag!
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Sinubukan ko mag-transition. Epic fail. So, tapos na kami kumain. Hindi ko na na-videohan kasi gutom na eh. Gutom na. Tapos natapon na rin namin yung mga pinagkainan namin. Tapos, magdra-drive na kami. No, siya pala. Tapos ako, baka matulog. I'm gonna include that in the vlog. Gonna include that. Yeah, tapos magdra-drive na kami. How many hours left? 2?
6, 7. 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours. Ay, nako. So, baka siguro montage na lang ulit. Tapos, update ko na lang kayo kapag nasa Dallas na kami. Bye! Bugog! Hi guys! Hello! So we're here now. Medyo na kami sa mall. Tapos, ka-order na kami sa potato corner. Yan. Hindi ko na na-vlog kanina kasi pagkadating namin sa parking lot, it's around like 9 a.m. Natulog kami sa loob ng sasakyan. So, ayun. Tapos, kasi yung potato corn nag-o-open.
Yes.
You guys know your way around this big place. I'm looking for Macy's or JCPenney.
JCPenney, I think it was over that way.
That
Just
way?
keep going all the way straight. Eventually, you'll find it.
Thank you.
No worries.
Order. Oh my god. Loopy fries, sour cream and onion, and then original fries, giga, and this one is garlic and parmesan and then cheese. Good? Oh, that's a lot. Put it here. Put it. Wow. First, try it. It's good. Try the other one. This one. How is the cheddar?
Worth it 3-hour drive.
Huh?
Worth it 3-hour drive.
Yay! The onion? Hindi. Garlic. Garlic and parmesan, right? Try the loopies. Flash News, he doesn't like loopy fries.
Pretty good.
Very good. Good. This one is good. May extra powder. Masarap yung extra powder. Then, ito naman is garlic and onion. Yan. I'll let you taste it.
Okay.
Noodles. First time trying it because like, lagi ko mas regular fries, tapos bakeries first time.
Alright, if you guys don't excuse me, we're gonna go and finish eating this because it's so good. So yeah, baby, we came here just
Hello guys! Nalimutan namin mag-vlog pagkatapos kumain.
Alright, so guys, for you guys that are already watching, know that we drove from Houston to Dallas. It's about 3 hours and 30 minutes, just for fries, right? Fries were good. Just to sum it all up, after that we went and took some pictures. I'm gonna go and post them right now.
Time check,
1:46.
1:46.
I'm gonna go to Kroger, put some gas, and then drive back home.
Yeah. Arlington, Texas. Jollibee! Oh! Jollibee! Oy, Jollibee!
Oy, Philippines!
Oy, Jollibee, oh! Jollibee! Yeah, guys. Flash news, I'm crazy about Jollibee.
Flash news?
Wait, is it a news? They probably don't know. But Jollibee, top tier. Top tier Jollibee. That's why ang laki ng mukha ko kasi kakakain. Kakakain.
Just let you know, I'm trying to go and take a right and I cannot see them.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ano ko?
I can't.
Kasi yung camera nandito. So, hindi niya kita. So, tapos nilipat ko dito yung camera. Hindi naman niya kita yung... Ay, naku. Ay, naku. Say it.
Ay, nako.
Okay, magpapagas muna kami sa Kroger's. Tapos Jollibee. Next. Jollibee. Jollibee. Yeah. Ito lang yung Arlington. Walmart. Arby's. There you go. Arby's. Salad. Pagpitik ko, nasa Kroger's na tayo. Kroger's na. Papagas lang tayo. Hi, mister. $11. And tapos titingnan natin kung gaano kadami yung yan.
$3, my friend. $3.
$3? Of what?
Cleaning.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, you were joking.
I was joking.
How much is the gas? Full tank?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, $11.
Get some gas already in it.
Okay. And then,
Jolly.
take out na lang namin para Jollibee.
Original, please. Yum burger, right? And let me get a yum burger.
Just the burger or one of the meal?
Just the regular burger.
Just the hamburger or anything else?
You want any pineapple quencher?
Yeah, sure, please.
Let me get one pineapple quencher.
One pineapple center, anything else?
It's your burger. You don't like? Okay.
No, that'll be it.
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
So, kumuha kami ng chicken. This is chicken. All original. And then yum burger. And then family spaghetti. This one. And then gravy, 3 pies. And that's it. That's it. This one. Ayan. The total, oh, yeah, family treat B, pineapple quencher. Total is 51.39. Tapos yung tax niya, 392. Ayan. Ang init pa. Tapos ito, pies. It's mango or ube pie, but kinuha niya mango kasi hindi naman ako mapais. So, ganito kalayo yung drive namin pa uwi. 3 oras. Tapos 34 minutes din. Ayan. 3 hours and 34. Oh my God. There you go.